Sustainable AI and nuclear-powered data centers. Can we power the future without destroying the planet? Can artificial intelligence change the world without costing the Earth? This is the big question of our time. Every time you ask ChatGPT a question, generate an AI image, or train a machine learning model, there's an invisible cost: energy. And not just a little. AI consumes massive amounts of electricity, often enough to power entire small cities for hours on end. So, here's the real challenge. As AI grows, can we keep the lights on without burning down the planet? Enter the intriguing idea: nuclear-powered data centers. Welcome to the Christian Omeni Tech Channel, your trusted hub for cutting-edge tech insights, smart solutions, and future-forward innovation. If you're passionate about technology and want to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and join a growing community of thinkers, builders, and tech enthusiasts. Fresh content drops regularly. Don't miss out. Part 1. The energy hunger of AI. Let's start by painting the picture. AI isn't just a clever algorithm running on thin air. It needs huge computational power, from training large language models to running billions of queries per day. In fact, training one large-scale AI model can consume as much energy as 5 cars would in their entire lifetimes. Think of all the data centers powering your favorite apps, search engines, and AI tools. These are massive warehouses filled with servers stacked floor to ceiling, humming 24/7, cooled by industrial-grade systems. They don't sleep, they don't pause, and their appetite is only getting bigger. According to estimates, global data center energy consumption may triple by 2030, with AI being a major driver. Part 2. The problem: sustainability at risk. Here's the issue. Much of this power still comes from fossil fuels. Even with the rise of solar and wind, the reality is that our AI revolution is being fed, in part, by coal, oil, and gas. That means more carbon emissions, more climate stress, and ironically, the very technology that promises to help us fight climate change could be accelerating it. This is where the debate begins. Should we slow down AI development to protect the planet? Or should we innovate how we power it? And that's where nuclear energy enters the chat. Part 3. What are nuclear-powered data centers? Imagine a data center not powered by coal plants or grid electricity, but by its own dedicated small nuclear reactor. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. Companies in the US, Europe, and Asia are already exploring small modular reactors, SMRs, compact, safer nuclear plants designed to power specific industrial needs, including AI data centers. Here's how it works. Instead of building a massive nuclear plant that powers an entire city, you build a small, highly efficient one near or within the data center. These reactors use low-enriched uranium or other advanced fuels that are designed for higher safety. They produce clean, carbon-free electricity 24/7. Unlike solar or wind, they don't depend on weather. Part 4. Real-world examples show real demos. 1. Microsoft's nuclear energy exploration. Microsoft recently partnered with nuclear energy experts to evaluate small reactors for their data centers, especially as they scale AI services like Azure OpenAI. 2. Amazon Web Services and clean energy commitments. AWS has invested in next-generation energy solutions, and while they've leaned heavily on renewables, they're also studying nuclear as part of their long-term carbon neutrality strategy. 3. France's nuclear legacy. France, being a leader in nuclear power, has a significant advantage. Data centers there could easily plug into the grid already heavily supported by nuclear-generated electricity. Part 5. The role of green AI. While nuclear is one piece of the puzzle, the conversation is broader: sustainable AI. This means optimizing algorithms to use less energy per computation, designing AI chips, like NVIDIA's latest architectures, to be more energy efficient, placing computations closer to the users through edge computing, reducing long-distance data transfers that waste energy. Sustainable AI isn't just about where the power comes from. It's about how efficiently AI uses it. Part 6. Future predictions: what's coming next? Here's where it gets exciting. By 2035, we may see the first wave of commercial nuclear-powered hyperscale data centers. Hybrid energy models will dominate, combining nuclear, solar, wind, and even geothermal to create multi-source resilient grids for AI. AI-designed reactors. Believe it or not, AI itself may help design the very reactors that will power its future. But there is also a cultural shift coming. Consumers will start asking how their AI is powered, just like people now ask about the source of their coffee or their clothes. Imagine a label. This AI response was powered by 100% carbon-free nuclear energy. Part 7. Making it relatable. Let's step back from the big corporations for a second. Why should you care? Because this affects your electricity bills. AI-driven demand can drive prices up if not sustainably managed. Your job? AI is entering every sector, but its expansion depends on sustainable scaling. Your planet? Extreme weather, rising temperatures. AI should be part of the solution, not the problem. Think of it like your smartphone. You wouldn't buy a powerful phone that drains your battery in 30 minutes, right? AI without sustainable power is like that. Powerful, but unsustainable. Part 8. Challenges and concerns. Let's not sugarcoat it. Nuclear energy comes with baggage. Public fear, due to past disasters like Fukushima or Chernobyl. Waste disposal concerns. High upfront costs. But compared to fossil fuels, the long-term carbon footprint is near zero, and modern reactor designs are far safer than their predecessors. Part 9. What can we do as a society? This is not just for governments or big tech companies. You have a voice. Support policies that promote clean energy innovation. Ask companies how they power their AI services. Learn about energy-efficient AI tools and make conscious choices in your personal and business usage. The more consumers care, the faster industries will adapt. So here's the real question. Would you trust an AI service more if you knew it was powered sustainably? Would you pay a bit more for a green AI subscription? Tell me in the comments below. Do you think nuclear-powered AI is the future, or is it too risky to bet on? I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.